Baxi, E131 fault code. Hello and welcome to BeFix. Today, we're looking at the E131 fault code on Baxi boilers, which means your boiler has overheated. This is a safety cutout designed to prevent damage. Your boiler works by circulating water through the system to carry heat away. If that circulation slows or stops, the boiler water overheats quickly. Pump failure. If the pump isn't moving water, the boiler overheats. Blocked plate heat exchanger. Sludge or scale stops heat transfer. Faulty thermistor. The temperature sensor could be sending the wrong signal. Low water flow. Trapped air or closed valves restrict circulation. Check your boiler's pressure gauge is between 1 and 1.5 bar. Bleed radiators if they're cold at the top. Make sure isolation valves near the boiler and pump are open. Reset the boiler once. If the error comes back, don't keep resetting. The cause needs to be fixed. A gas-safe engineer will test the pump, inspect the heat exchanger, and check the thermistors. They may carry out a system flush if sludge is present. At BeFix, we deal with Baxi faults like E131 every day. Contact us for quick, reliable repairs. BeFix, reliable, local, gas safe.